Hey everybody, it's me Myra at Down Home Money, a simple approach to financial freedom. I hope you're doing well. It's Tuesday, it's my day, and I'm excited to be with you. I am bringing you a buy, a wonderful real estate investment trust, and it's a monthly payer. You don't want to miss this. So Market Grader rates this company a buy based on the overall grade of 68.9 out of 100. The grade is calculated from the sum of their 24 fundamental indicators about growth, value, profitability, and cash flow. And it reflects the view of the stock based on the philosophy of identifying companies that represent growth at a reasonable price. From this perspective, this stock offers a pretty fair balance between growth and value while meeting strong standards of quality based on profitability and cash flow. Our overall rating represents our view of the merit of owning the stock in the next 18 months. So this is forward thinking. Based on their current fundamentals. We have maintained the rating since August 5th of 2022 when we upgraded this stock from a hold based on the overall grade of 55.19. Since then, the stock's down 12.8%. Well, we know that the overall stock market, S&P 500, is down over the year. So this stock is a victim of that. And it's a great opportunity, right? When a stock's down, we call that buy on the dip, as long as the fundamentals work. And this company has some great fundamentals. What company am I talking about? I'm talking about LTC Properties, Inc. LTC is the ticker, and I own about 1,111 shares, 0.113. I know exactly what I own because I'm getting a monthly dividend of over $200 a month. And you know, we talk about that here on my channel. How can you build a passive income stream to work because you want to work, not because you have to work? You buy companies. You own companies that pay you monthly or quarterly dividends for owning them. That's how you build a dividend portfolio for the future. And you just have to get started. And LTC is a great company to add to that. So LTC is a real estate investment trust that manages senior housing and healthcare properties. Its property portfolio includes skilled nursing facilities, assisted living facilities, independent living facilities, and memory care facilities. It was started May 12th in 1992 and headquartered in Westlake Village, California. So the company pays 19 cents a share, which is pretty exciting. So if you own 100 shares, that's $19 a month. Those 100 shares, the shares are selling in the $38 range. So for a $3,800 investment, if you bought 100 shares, you would make $19 a month, right? Or, okay, so if we did $19 times 12 months out of the year, you'd make $228 a year, or 6%. It's paying 5.99% yield. But I love that it pays monthly for the compounding. So, you know, you can reinvest that monthly $19 into more shares, or you can take a cash distribution. Well, of course, I'm telling you, we're building a portfolio for your future self so you can work because you want to work, not because you have to work. So we're building a portfolio to pay your essential living expenses. So this would be a great stock to add, and it's in a great sector, real estate. And It's down so far this year, 12.8%. So, wow, you can take advantage of that. So LTC, I again own over 1,000 shares, make over $200 a month on this stock, and Market Grader says it is a buy. Out of 100 points, Market Grader has given it a 68.9. And Market Grader looks on 24 fundamentals, which include growth, profitability, cash flow, and value. And Market Grader states that they think this is a reasonable price for a company. They identify companies with reasonable prices for these 4 categories out of the 24 fundamentals. So overall rating represents their view of merit of owning the stock in the next 18 months, which is crucial because they're telling you a forward look at the stock. And they removed the stock from a hold in August. They had it listed as a hold to a buy. And again, it's down 12.8%. So it's a good time to purchase. So for growth, Market Grader gives it a B+ for growth. For value, Market Grader gives it a B for value. For profitability, Market Center gives it an A-. Cash flow, B+ for cash flow. As you can see, Market Grader is giving it anywhere from a B+ to an A- in growth, value, profitability, and cash flow. And so I am buying LTC properties and putting it in my portfolio for my future self. Here's some more information that you might be interested in. The 52-week range is $31.36, and the high, that's the low, the high is $45.14, and then currently it's in the $38 range. The PE ratio, LTM, is 16.14. The PE ratio forward is 18.6. When the S&P 500 forward PE is 20.75, so it's a little lower than the S&P forward ratio. And the optimum PE is 7.16. Earnings yield, LTM, is 6.1%. And price to book ratio is 1.83. A lot of people say they want to get in real estate. This is a great way to get in real estate and not have to fix toilets or take those calls in the middle of the night when they're locked out. Had that happen. I mean, seriously. Or the refrigerator call. Got one of those a couple weeks ago. And 2 AC calls. So here's the beautiful thing about dividend investing. Dividend investing is truly passive. You buy it, you hold, you let your dividends compound, and you build that passive income for future use. I love dividend investing. I love rental property. They're 2 total different things. One's passive, one's not so much if you manage it yourself. And you know I suggest you manage it yourself when you are a new property owner so you can learn about the business. I appreciate you guys. Always remember, it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. And are you buying assets to throw you off a passive income? That's how you build an income for your future self. I'll see you guys next week. Be sure and subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my newsletter, I'll put a link down below and you can sign up for my monthly newsletter. I will not bombard you. It's just a monthly newsletter kind of telling you what happened this month. Be sure and sign up and I'll make sure you get October's. I'll see you later.